we had a down day for August 1st, the 1st of August, negative 1.6% for S&P 500, Nasdaq 2.24%, Dow Jones 1.23%. So usually when you have the first down day, it's usually not a good sign, but that could reverse. Probably in 7 days, August 8th, deadline. If United States have a trade deal with India and Canada, or maybe even China, that could potentially change. So today we're gonna talk about 6 stocks company that's gonna be reporting earnings this coming week, and we're gonna look at stocks that reported earnings last week. Yes. See which one are good ones and what could happen in the stock market. Welcome to World Traveler, Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. So, it's really important to see from the far away. Year to date, Dow Jones is only up 2.82%. Nasdaq year to date up 7.1%. So, at the lowest point, it was down like around 20%. So you could say it's up 27% from the bottom. It will be really hard to catch a bottom, but the best way is to do DCA, and always have the cushion for money. Do DCA at 10%, 20%, 30%. You need to break it down like that. So S&P 500 6.3% up. So it was down around 10%. When it was bottom, more than 10%. So 5 years. Remember this number, 90.7%. So what is S&P 500? S&P 500 is top 500 companies listed on US stock exchanges. So if we want to beat S&P 500, we need to choose a company's stocks that beat S&P 500 over the past 5 years. So that's why this number is important. So what happened last week? Last week, because of the consumer sentiment was better, and they had the interest rate constant. GDP surprised on the upside, which is good. And of course, the PC data, core PC data, is in line with forecast. But I think with tariff going on, I think the inflation may back up just a little bit. But Federal Reserve may hold the interest rate until probably at the end of the year. They may cut the interest rate at the end of the year after US have finalized trade deals with most of the countries. So they kind of know how inflationary that will be, right? So as long as they don't increase the interest rate, that's fine. But I think they are most likely not gonna raise the interest rate because it will be quite devastating to the stock market. We could potentially have another bear market if Fed decides to raise the interest rate. That would be really, really horrible. I don't think they want to do that. They don't want to wipe out the 401k and retirement accounts for no reason. When inflation is getting under control. Consumer sentiment got bad on Friday. Yeah. So mainly the main thing was for the trade deals and tariff. Visa, it went up after they reported earnings. Then after that, it went down because of the tariff. President Trump imposed tariff on India and Canada. Canada started yesterday, August 1st. India, they already postponed it to August 8th, allowing all the other countries to give room for negotiation. And United Head is down. See, 3.72%. This is really interesting. It's really hard to get 4% dividend yield on United Head. Usually less than 2%, around 2%. Okay, so I could just DCA United Healthcare. That would be quite interesting. See how it goes. But we still have time. We don't need to rush. Look at this. 5-year low. United Healthcare is like 5-year low. Really, really bad. Look at this. Half. More than half. Look at it. The maximum 52-week high was 630. 630 now is more than half down. Look at it. Look at this. This is like unprecedented. Okay, so this reminds me of Meta. Meta used to be down a lot because of Apple iOS changes, remember? So I'm gonna be DCA, or I'm gonna use lead put option, sell lead put options to get the gain. That would be really interesting. See, look at this, really wow, look at this. Yeah, usually down. So that boy down the past 5 days. AMT also went down after the earnings. Microsoft was up more than 3 or 4%. Microsoft, that's pretty good. Around 5%, but it went down because of the trade war worry. 5 year, it beat S&P 500. Yes, look at this, it's went down. So as Microsoft was like flat for like 6 months. See, sometimes stocks can be consolidating, right? So it's almost a year. It was flat and down, now it went up. So you always keep holding great companies because of this. Okay, Meta was up around 10% when they report earnings, but it went down because of trade war worry. Meta, I have sold put options for 1 year out. I also have call option, leaves call options, and I also sold some put option. I always sold Meta stocks, 100 stock, okay, because I had to use that money for other stocks. So but I have some exposure, and I'm planning to buy Meta back pretty soon. So look at this. Remember Meta, it was down like crazy. That looks like United Healthcare. Okay, it was down from 2021 October to 2022 October. This is more than a year. It was down like crazy, more than a year. Look at this reverses. Wow. Do you think it's familiar? It's pretty much familiar, right? I think we probably gonna have 6 more months, 1 year. The United Healthcare is gonna be down. So pretty interesting. The Qualcomm, the past 5 days is down 7.21%. Apple, look at this, the past 5 days 5.41% down. It went up after earnings, but after that it went down because of trade war. Amazon, similar. I like to buy Amazon. Yeah, if it's no one at 200, that would be pretty great. 5 day. Mastercard, it went up. Then after the week, it went down. People keep spending money. It doesn't matter. Recession, they spend money. Good economy, they spend money. They use the cards. As long as people keep using the cards, they gonna keep making money. Doesn't matter. Berkshire Hathaway, look at this, down. It's okay. It's gonna go back up. Highly, very probable. Okay, there is no 100%. Chevron, I don't usually buy oil and gas because over the long run, there are more oils produced. Okay, America is the top producers of the oil. So supply is gonna go up and price gonna go down. So I don't like commodities business, especially when the price is going down. I'm not going to buy Chevron. So this week, what are the news? PMI, yes. After that, productivity. I think most likely August 8th because of trade war. Right? People want to keep watching how many deals we could get over the next 5 or 7 days. Yeah, very interesting. PLTR reported earnings, stock number 6. PLTR year to date, 100% up. I own PLTR. 5 years, wow, it's beat S&P 500 like crazy. But this is overvalued. When I buy a stock, I look at 5 criteria. Number 1, does it beat S&P 500 over the past 5 years? Yes. Number 2, has it been in the business for at least 10 years? Yes. Founded in May 6, 2003. Yeah. And has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Yeah, it started around October, so it's almost 5 years because they already started making profit a few quarters ago. So I'm okay with not exactly 5 years. If it's around 5 years, I'm okay. So that's why I bought Palantir. Number 4, do I like this business? Palantir is AI defense. Okay, lots of governments in the world are expanding their budget for defense. So very important. AI is very important now. So defense they're gonna be spending more AI defense. So like countries like EU, because they are afraid of, they are worried about Russia, they spend more. US, they spend more. Japan and Taiwan, Korea, they also spend more because of China. Okay, so that's what PLTR is very unique. It is like monopoly in that area. Okay, so I like monopoly business. This may not be so much of monopoly like Nvidia, but this is getting there. Okay, so I'm willing to pay a little bit more, actually a lot more. I'm not going to say it now. Stock number 5. This is a stock that I wanted to go down. I already profited using call option and also put option. I sold put option, but it just went up like crazy. It was like down and not moving for 1 year. Look at this. At the top, March 1st, 2024, it went down to April 2025. For 1 year, it was going down. Now it came back up. So that's why it's very important to be patient in stock investing. It does, even if the company is great, it can take some time to shoot up. Very normal, very normal. So that's why I like to hold a company for life, at least 1 year, and preferably 5 years. 5 years or longer. Okay. Next one, Caterpillar. Look at this. Yesterday 30.16. I always wanted to own Caterpillar, but it did not go down like crazy. Okay, I wanted dividend yield to be like more than 2%. You know, Caterpillar used to be 288 over there. So it beat S&P 500, but it's okay. If you go to construction site, you will see Caterpillar machinery all the time. The reason why I really did not actually buy Caterpillar was because it can be capital intensive, right? Because with this machinery factories, they have to have factories. If there is a recession or anything goes wrong, it could be really hurt badly. So I prefer to own AI, capital light businesses. So that's why I never got around buying Caterpillar. Next one, ANET. Oh, this is like really. You know, it used to be $64. I wanted to buy it below $80, but I was busy buying other stocks. Look at 5 years. It beat S&P 500, 623%, like crazy, right? I also like this business as well. So financial statement is good. Oh, the last criteria is financial statement. Do I like balance sheet? Do they have the asset more than liabilities, right? Their net income, revenue, are they going up? That's what I look at. So these 5 criteria are the most important of my criteria. Okay, next one, Shopify. Amazon stock went down. Shopify, year to date, 10.29%. It doesn't beat S&P 500 yet, but this could be a good turnaround story. It used to be $160 stock. Okay, $160 stock. Now it went down. It's just coming back up. It has an uptrend. Because I own Amazon, I probably don't want to own Shopify yet. But I could use option. You know, I could sell put options on this stock. So which are the stock that I'll probably sell put option? PLTR is already overbought. AMD is also overbought. So I really want it to go down. PLTR most likely it will go up. But if it goes down, you know what? If it goes down below 100, I will be loading my cart, shopping cart. Okay. Caterpillar 50-50, I'm not sure. ANET, not sure about it. Okay, so Shopify, not sure about it. Eli Lilly is not moving this year. Look at this, the past 5 years, from July 2024 until now, it's flat. It's just flat. It's not moving. Consolidating. So we're not sure when it's gonna go back up. Okay, so I'm not really into pharmaceutical company. Okay, this is like going to the heaven, like stay. It's like ladder. Look at the ladder. See, if you know pharmaceutical company, if you are a specialist or expert in that industry, You can analyze their balance sheet. If you believe that Eli Lilly is a good time to buy, just go ahead. So which stock do I like the most? Okay, I own PLTR. I want AMD to go down. Okay, Caterpillar, okay, 50-50. ANET, yes, I'm interested. Shopify, okay. Eli Lilly, okay. I'm not going to buy Eli Lilly. Possibly if Shopify drops like crazy 20%, or if ANET drops for like 20%, yeah, AMD drop for like 20%, PLTR drop for like 20%, I'm interested. Remember, we probably have until August 8 deadline. Stock market may not move so much unless the earnings are like really good. Like PLTR is very good, AMD very good. AMD has a track record of going down over the past 4 quarters. It went down after the earnings. It just went down after the earnings. So that's why I did not want to use advanced option to profit right now, because it's overbought. So it's most likely gonna go down, AMD. Okay. So this is our financial advice. So which stock do you like the most? If you have any question, comment down below. If you want to start trading stocks and options, you can go to my channel, Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, and study playlist. Stock investing, call option, put options, and advanced option. You can click the link down below, YouTube video description, comment down below to open an account and potentially get free stock. You can also reach out to me as well. The links will be in the description, comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.